A growing risk of life-threatening flooding and debris flows there. You see some of the damage already. This is significant flooding happening in some parts of the state. And
man, this flooding is actually going in people's homes. Can you imagine your carpet, your furniture? Man, we at Christmas. I'm sure it's been hit some gifts and trees and stuff like that right in the middle of this holiday season, man.
We just got new video from the San Bernardino County Fire Department.
Wow.
That shows floodwaters there and debris rushing across State Route 2 in Wrightwood, California. The entire state is expected to be impacted by this system.